Hey guys, Mr. Backberg here. In this video, we're going to look at graphs of logarithmic functions with base b.
So if we wanted to graph something out that looked like y equals log base b of x, I'm actually going to use a change of base formula to help me think about this. And I'm going to use my natural log function. So I'm actually going to convert this into the natural log of x over the natural log of b. And then what we can do with that is this b value is going to be a number. So we can actually think about this as being like 1 over the natural log of b times the natural log of x. So this is going to give us, depending on what that b value is that we're evaluating, this is going to give us either a vertical stretch or a vertical shrink, because this 1 over the natural log of b will always end up being some constant number value. So we can really think about any logarithmic graph as a transformation of the natural log graph. So if I wanted to look at graphing out the function g of x equals log base 5 of x. If I use my change of base formula, I can make that the natural log of x over the natural log of 5. But then I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over the natural log of 5 times the natural log of x. Now, if I were to type 1 divided by the natural log of 5 into my calculator, we get about 0.62 times the natural log of x. So because we're multiplying by a constant value that's a fraction or a decimal that's smaller than 1, what's going to end up happening in here is this is going to be a vertical shrink by that factor of 0.62. Now, as we look at another example in here, we're going to look at h of x equals log base 1/4 of x. So if I use my change of base formula, I'm going to make this the natural log of x over the natural log of 1/4. And then I'm going to separate that denominator by making it 1 over the natural log of 1/4 times the natural log of x. If I do this 1 over the natural log of 1/4 in my calculator, I'm going to get about negative 0.72 times the natural log of x. So we've actually got a couple of things happening in here. Because there is a negative in front of my function, then this is going to be an x-axis reflection. And because we're multiplying by a decimal that's smaller than 1, this is also going to be a vertical shrink. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.